Okay, let's take a look at the final results of our web edit with Ryan. The nice thing about this project was that we were working parallel with my fellow photo editor, Lindsay Thompson, on a web template customization that provided us with this shiny new home for all of the images to live on. We ended up with some primary galleries that include a tightened up highlights gallery, overview galleries of his lifestyle work, as well as his portraiture work. And then we also included a section of brand galleries to show off his strongest projects. One of the interesting aspects of this project with Ryan that you won't see on the website right now is the inclusion of a large collection of images that Ryan had shot over the years during his time with Yellow Shoes, which is the full service in house advertising agency for the Walt Disney Company. Um, this work would end up in nicely curated private galleries that Ryan could show to select clients when needed, as it included a lot of high production lifestyle, hospitality, and travel work. You can see some of that work in the Disney Princesses Gallery, but the majority of that work is currently in private galleries that Ryan will be sharing at his discretion. When working with such a large amount of great work, from the span of a photographer's career, I learned that it's really so important to spend time considering and reviewing each image's potential. There's a lot of tough choices to make when editing hundreds of images down to thoughtful galleries that express the photographer's best work. And being in close communication with Ryan throughout the entire process was an enormous help. As the galleries began to take shape, there were things that both of us were able to visualize and adjust accordingly that we hadn't noticed at first. And, came up with this really well polished final result for the website. We didn't encounter any real issues with this edit. I think that the site began to take shape on Lindsay's template, and we did some fine tuning to a few of the edits after that, but nothing major. And there really wasn't much left on the cutting room floor, so to say. Overall, I think that the final edits feel much more concise, streamlined, organized, and still showing off the wide range of Ryan's capabilities and specialties as a photographer.